I love this one for its simplicity. It's really kind of an elegant problem. Here's our line, and put some arrows on it. Okay, if AB is opposite AC, that means that we've got a midpoint or some point here called point A. Okay, and if AB is opposite AC, that means on one side of A is point B, and the other side of it is point C. Okay, so you then have AB, this right here, as opposite to AC, which is here. Okay. Now, additionally, it says, and by the way, hopefully you can see that this is, and I'll write it over top of it. This is ray AC, starting at A, going through C. This is ray AB, starting at A, going through B. Okay? So they say if AC is opposite AD, so here's AC, let's just draw it again underneath it, from A running through C. This is also opposite some other ray AD. So that means that AD has to be opposite that, like this. And what does that then say about the orange ray, which is AD? Okay. Well, what that says is that look at these two rays. This orange one and this purple one right here, they both originate at A and they run along the same path. This is because this is really just representing what's actually happening with the green line, right? From A through this, that's opposite AC, just like AB is. So since AB is an opposite ray with AC and AD is an opposite ray with AC, then these two rays must be the same ray. This ray right here, AB, and this ray right here, both originating at A and running in the opposite direction from C, in this case through D, and we need to have a little D point here. So I'm going to actually put another point here of D, because in order for that to be AD as well, there's just some other points on the right-hand side of A. Okay, so what can you conclude? And I'm just going to type it out because I haven't done that in a while, typing what I'm writing, what I'm talking about. Okay, we can conclude that ray AB and ray AD are simply two different names for the same ray. One that originates at point A and runs in the opposite direction from point C. And runs. Sorry, I couldn't see what I was typing when I was typing it there. And runs in the opposite direction from point C. Yep, that's it. That should make sense to you if you spend the time to think about it. It should almost be like naturally obvious, okay? If you have a ray opposite this right here, the only way that you can be opposite ray AC is if you start here and run this way along the line. So calling it AB because it goes through B, or calling it all AD because you just choose a different point that it runs through after leaving A in that direction. That makes these two the same.